we're here at a home in Lynn Haven. It's damaged by the hurricane. All the contents has been moved out, and the guys are just setting up floor protection and prepping for demo. We're going to be removing majority of the ceilings in this home and the carpet. So I'm going to walk you through and show you what a prep job looks like before demo. So we've got floor protection put down. This is to protect the tile floor that's going to be stained. You notice in each one of the rooms or areas, it's got the name of the room and what the scope is going to be. This is the prep table. It's got more floor protection, antimicrobial, filters, batteries, more filters, anything that we may need in order to complete the job. As you can see, the floor protection runs all the way into the bathroom. It's all tiled areas or anywhere we're going to be doing demo. And as you can see, there's a lot of ceiling staining, or water staining on the ceiling, sorry, in the dining room.